Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So, because of Easter, I have decided to make the easiest recipe for a candy or a dessert, something that pleases everybody, especially people like me who are not a fan of chocolate. Yes, we exist. We are real. Although in small numbers, but we exist. And let me tell you this, I am not a fan of chocolate, but I do love my condensed milk. And it's one of the things that I miss the most when I went vegan until I realized that I could make my own. And coconut. So this is going to be a chocolate candy filled with a sweet and beautiful coconutty cream that is going to blow your mind. Attention, chocolate haters, this is for you. And chocolate lovers, please don't blame me for the extra inches on your waistline because you are going to eat that non-stop. Take it from me, okay? This is dangerous. Right, like I said, no cheating, no nonsense, 3 ingredients straight up. And the first one is dry coconut and then sweetened condensed milk. Vegan, of course. Don't forget to set aside a little bit of the coconut to decorate the candies. Now, the vegan condensed milk, I have 2 recipes. Check over here, okay? But the best one for this recipe, taste-wise and price-wise, is the... No, not price-wise, I take it back because at some places... Look who's here. Okay, don't freak out, okay? This is just for the videos. I don't cook my food here, okay? Hi, baby. This is Nico. Are we not freaking out? Good. The sweetened condensed milk. I have made it on the channel, so click over here. You have 2 to choose from. If you want to buy it, I don't see a point in buying it because it's so much better if you make your own, but I'm not gonna judge. This is not a judging channel. You can do whatever you want. It's just what I think it's best. It works for me. Okay, now we make the balls as big or small as you want. We're going to put it in the fridge or in the freezer, even better, in the freezer, okay, for 2 hours. And then we're going to dip it in the chocolate, okay? This way they're going to hold its shape because it's, like I said, a little bit more moist. And oh my God, I'm thinking about it. This is so good. Take it from me. This is so good. Okay, I'm gonna stop thinking about it. I'm gonna think about the recipe, okay? So that's what you do. Now, to form the little balls, so they don't stick to your hand, don't use any oil, any form of oil. Use a plain, simple water, okay? It's not going to stick to your hands this way. If you use any type of oil, as in butter or margarine or oil, it will. Right? And now we're going to melt the chocolate. You use a vegan coverture chocolate because this chocolate, it has a more fat content that will harden up and hold its shape and not going to melt. And it has this beautiful glossy finish once the candies are done, okay? If after all this, you notice that your little balls are still too soft, I hear your comments. You don't think I hear your comments. Okay, 5th grade. Okay. So back to the balls. Okay, you put it in the fridge. Okay, so they firm up because now we are going to put it in the chocolate, which was melting in a microwave in every 30 minutes. Put it in a microwave, and then you stir. Then put it back in the microwave, and then you stir and have fun. I love my job. I do love my job. I love my job. Look at this. Can you see this? It's so beautiful, decadent. Delicious. This is so good. You have no idea. And the aftertaste, because the contrast of the a little bit bitter chocolate and the extremely sweet and rich feeling from the coconut balls, it's insane. You're not gonna be able to stop eating it, as I didn't. I'm so guilty. I'm feeling so guilty because I have devoured it. It's the third batch I make, and I'm not even gonna comment on that, but yeah, all in that. And I don't regret, maybe just a little bit. All right, this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun. Okay, people have have been telling me lately, tell people to subscribe to your join your Patreon. So please join my Patreon. Okay, buy me a cup of coffee if you want, of course, or hit the thanks button as well. I never mention it, but you know what, if you want, that's fine. And we'll see you next time. Please make it. And so I'm gonna stop saying that it's so good, but it is. Okay, so right, you are going to taste it. You're gonna make it, you're gonna try it, and then you're gonna tell me in the comments below how much you love it. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go now. See you next time. Bye bye.